Hey, Dan Passarelli here. I've been asked quite a bit lately about short squeezes and how to identify when they will take place. This is a chart of Rocket companies. They're the parent of Rocket Mortgage and a few other companies, I guess. And they were the subject of a short squeeze not too long ago. Now, what a short squeeze is when a stock has a lot of short interest and the stock ends up going up, and all those people who are short have to buy back their shares to cut their losses. And so you can get extremely big one-day moves in situations like those. And so we want to be able to figure out when those are coming. So if you look, a while back here ago, we saw the stock really jump up and it looked like it might have been a short squeeze, and then it sort of came back down. In fact, maybe we could even call it a mini short squeeze. And then some time passed, and then we had a pretty good gap here, pretty good gap here, and then it actually really hit. So what do we need to look at in order to know when is it going to be a false start and when is it going to be the real deal? Well, one of the things that we want to look at is the short interest. The more short interest there is, that means the more shares that are shorted, the more people have to get out and buy those shares back when the stock is rallying. Another thing we want to look at is when the stock does rally, what happens to the implied volatility of those out of the money calls, because that's what traders do. They buy those out of the money calls to be able to take advantage of the stock rising, because you can get extremely leveraged profits with limited loss. So the implied volatility tends to go up. And then we also want to look at block trades when big blocks go up as buy trades. You have to look very, very carefully to make sure that those are not sell orders being executed. If somebody's selling their calls to close out a position, we definitely don't want to jump in on that. That's not a short squeeze. But when big blocks of trades go up of call buyers, that can indicate that something like this might be about to take place. I hope that's helpful. Trade well.